Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let me show you how I use this multifunctional car cup holder. I think we've all been there. We have a favorite travel mug, but it doesn't fit in our car cup holder. Well, this is a problem for me no more. This hill has created a convertible cup holder, so it fits and adapts to the smaller space and gives you a larger capacity to hold. So as you can see, my favorite travel mug now fits without a problem. Bonus, it comes with a phone holder and it is adjustable. It has two twist knobs, so you can angle this however you want, and it is amazing. I absolutely love it. I can also use it in my husband's car. Once again, he has tiny cup holders which are useless to all my cups. This hill just screws right in to hold the prongs open, and you can have a secondary phone holder in addition to a larger cup holder. So I now can put this in without a problem, without having to leave it on the ground, hoping it doesn't spill. And I also have the option of placing other items in there, like this mini trash can we have. I love the fact that the phone holder is so adaptable. With one push, it just opens up and fits a multitude of sizes of phones, which I think is fantastic. You can also choose to have your phone in portrait or landscape mode, whichever you prefer. And I love the fact that this is adaptable enough that the passenger can use it as well. But that's just my point of view.